Ever wondered why castor oil is making waves in bedtime routines? It's not your typical skincare advice, but using castor oil before bed might just have some wild effects on your body. This ancient remedy isn't just for digestive woes or hair growth anymore. It can hydrate, boost skin elasticity, and possibly delay aging. Yet, is it all sunshine and smooth skin? Let's dive into the pros and cons with a sprinkle of humor. Benefits. 1. Deep hydration. Castor oil is rich in fatty acids, making it a fantastic moisturizer. Applied before bed, it locks in moisture and nourishes dry skin overnight, so you wake up to a more radiant complexion. 2. Anti-aging potential. Thanks to its high levels of antioxidants, castor oil fights off free radicals, reducing signs of aging like fine lines and wrinkles. 3. Promotes healing. If you have minor cuts, burns, or irritation, castor oil's anti-inflammatory properties can soothe and aid in recovery. 4. Hair growth. Known for thickening hair and promoting growth, applying castor oil to your lashes or brows before bed can give you that fuller look over time. Risks. 1. Blocked pores. Castor oil is comedogenic, meaning it can clog pores for those with acne-prone skin. Not the bedtime surprise anyone wants. 2. Skin irritation. Some people might experience allergies or irritation, especially with sensitive skin. Always patch test first. 3. Messy application. Let's be real, castor oil is sticky, thick, and might ruin your favorite pillowcase if you're not careful. Before you try this, ask yourself, are you Team Dewy Glow, or will you risk the breakouts? Either way, if you decide to experiment, don't forget to like the video for more quirky skincare secrets.